Hey, happy Monday, Monday. I hope you had a great weekend and I hope your week ahead is even better. Got a new platform for you. I love starting Mondays off with new platforms. Really excited about this. We got a new platform for you. But of course, before we get into all that, I always got to say I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. Only invest what you're willing and able to lose, and always do your own due diligence. And for that, I always got to take you to my Telegram group where I give the information there first. All right, here we are in the Telegram group where I give the announcement that Aceville is giving you 7.08% in not 24 hours, not 12 hours, but in 5 hours. So what that means is you make the deposit, and they're saying now, of course, there's no guarantees. There's no guarantees, but they're saying in 5 hours, you're going to get 7.08% with your deposit back. So let's just go ahead and look at some of the highlights. Say they've been going since 2021. The minimum deposit in this particular platform is $100. They say their payments are immediate, and the minimum withdrawal is only $1. So that is Aceville. If you want to go ahead, see something you want to go ahead and check it out, make sure to click on the link in the description and comments of this video. All right, here we are back on the platform. Aceville says their long-term business, choose a right solution. Okay, Online Solutions is a long-term investment platform. We also provide instant payment systems. Check it out. All right, I say check it out. So let's do that. Let's check out those investment plans. All right, and here are the plans. 7.08% in 5 hours. The minimum is $100 to a maximum of $49.99, $499 on that one. Hey, this 12% in 24 hours, that ain't bad. The minimum get started with that one is $500 to $34.99 on that one. They say this was the best plan. Okay, 14.91% in 48 hours. A premium plan, that's $3,500 to $999. Now on this one, I would believe that you have to wait until the full 48 before you can make any kind of withdrawals on that one. And the 18% in 34 hours, that is 10,000 to unlimited on that particular plan. All right, and here we are at the registration page with Aceville. Pretty straightforward. Full name, password, username. I would answer the secret question and the secret answer. You also have your email here. You got to repeat your email. And here's an opportunity. If you want to take it at this time, you do not have to do it. Where you can put in your wallets. You want to make sure you click on accept terms and then click on register. And then you are ready to go. All right, here we are in the back office of Aceville. As you can see, there's a lot of information here, but it's not too overwhelming. Here is what I noticed. What you want to do is click over here, and they have the tabs over here where you can get to all your other information that you'll need to know. So, all right, so let's go ahead and make a deposit, or show you how to make a deposit with this platform. All right, so when you get ready to make a deposit on this platform, all you have to do is go here, click on deposit. And now you're just going to scroll down and you're going to see all the plans that they have available. I like this 7% after 5 hours. Yeah, I like that one. So you're going to click on select, and you're going to select the amount that you want to make a deposit in. And that is the minimum now is $100. And so you can use Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, BNB, Smart Chain, USD, TRC20, Baby, USD, ERC20, Tron, and Dogecoin. So once you make your selection, of course, I always go with the USD TRC20. You're going to click on spin. And now it's going to give you your wallet address. You're going to just make sure that everything looks right here. And then once you do that, once you send the money, then and only then do you want to click on save. If you click on save before then, it could cause some issues. So make sure that you actually send the money, your wallet, it says it's sent, then you click on save, and you're good to go. On this particular platform, you will see they don't have any place for you to add the transaction ID or anything like that. So once you send it, click on save, and you are ready to go. All right, that is Aceville, our newest platform there. We're adding to the roster 7.08% in 5 hours. Minimum is $100 on that business. That's the standard. On the business one, 12% in 24 hours from 500 to 34.99. On the pro plan, 14.91% in 48 hours. That's $3,500 getting started on that one. In the enterprise plan, 18% in 34 hours. So if you want to be part of Aceville, make sure to click on the link in the description and comments of this video. And with that being said, I'll see you on the next video.